with another lock video. First of all, if you are new to my channel, welcome and thanks for watching. If you are returning, thank you for being a loyal subscriber. So today I am doing we're just gonna say year and a half lock update. I really have no idea what month I'm on. I am about to do a retwist. I just wet my hair with somewhat warm water. I ran a little smoothie through my hair. Just at the roots. I have a lot of new growth, so I kind of wanted to just hydrate it, and then I went through with some sunflower oil, and now yeah, we're just retwisting on the ends. I also am combing them out. A lot of them like to tighten back up into, into little locks, but I occasionally have to comb them out, so I'm using the smoothie to define the curls on the end. And my hair is growing pretty long. Definitely at shoulder length now. That's super cool. So, yeah, I'm just going to I just apply aloe vera gel to the roots, twist, just any hair that is sticking out, and then palm roll. So if this is your first video that you're watching of mine, this is my technique. Aloe vera at the root, twist, and then palm roll to smooth out the rest. This one is already uncurled at the end, but if it wasn't, I go ahead and curl that out and then take a little smoothie and put it on the ends. So I'm just gonna clip and boom. And then you do that for the rest. So this is one that's kind of frizzed. So here we go. Aloe vera. Making sure no other hairs from the other locks are getting caught in there. And then just twist. Look at all that new growth. Y'all see all that? That's like hella new growth. I'm going to attribute that to pregnancy. Pregnancy hair growth. I don't think I retwisted my hair for the last month, maybe 2 months. So whoop whoop to all that new growth. Alright, so here I'm just gonna comb out. Got a little tangle. Of course, your hair mats. And then a little smooth. And then curve. Ooh. Just gonna put these together. Yep, so this is the Retwist locs, still fluffy. I also used the smoothie to comb out my ends, so I have my curls can come through at the bottom. So far I'm still extremely happy with my locks. They are growing super thick and healthy. The thickness of them is still perfect, and I wouldn't change it for anything. Yeah, I'm still loving the journey so far. I am still looking up some techniques to curl thick locks. So if you guys have any suggestions, tag me in some videos or comment. Let me know how you guys like to get a nice curl pattern with thicker locks. If you check out my last video, I used flexi rods to curl my hair, which was a cool process. And it actually didn't take that long to dry, but it took a little longer than I wanted for to put it in. So yeah, I've seen a lot of people just do like the chunky twist, but I don't know if my hair is gonna hold because my locks are so thick. Like just trying to twist two of them together, I'm just not sure how that will work, but I can always try it out. If you like this video, if you like my hair, if you have any comments, tips, whatever, make sure to go ahead and subscribe, like this video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at the Mahogany Sunflower. And also check out my site. Make sure to go ahead and sign up for my mailing list at plantbasedkarma.com, where I am going to teach you, I'm working on an online course, going to teach you to tap into your chakras by releasing that kundalini energy, trying to tap into your own power, trying to find and embrace your individual power, your serpent power. So if you are interested in learning about any of that, go ahead on over there. You can click the link. I'll leave a link below, and you can go ahead and sign up for that. Make sure to also sign up for the Karma Garden, where I will be posting more kid-friendly recipes, family-friendly recipes, typically in 30 minutes or less. Again, this is all a work in progress since my hands are full with a 2-year-old and a newborn. But I appreciate you guys, all my flowers, for sticking with me throughout this journey. Ari, for sticking with me throughout this journey. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you like the vibe, so please subscribe. And all my returning watchers, keep showing me love. I much appreciate you. We're signing out since I wants to be making a bunch of ruckus. Peace and love, y'all. Say bye. Bye. Hurry up. Say bye. Bye. Yay. Bye-bye. Bye. Yay. Bye. Yay. Peace and love, y'all.